you all will be fine at your homes. Welcome to the science class. So kids, now let's start our class with an etiquette. Let's start our class with an etiquette. The etiquette of this week is keep the things at its place after using them. Kids, you should always keep the things at its place after using them. So I hope all of you will follow this etiquette. Good. Now let's move to our GK questions. So kids, now let's see the first GK question. The first GK question is, which is our national flag? I repeat, which is our national flag? Yes, our national flag is tricolor. Our national flag is tricolor. Which is our national flag? Our national flag is tricolor. Good. Now let's see the next question. Which is our national water animal? Which is our national water animal? Yes, our national water animal is dolphin. Our national water animal is dolphin. Repeat again. Our national water animal is dolphin. Good. So these were your GK questions. Now let's learn some sight words. So kids, tell me, which sight word is this? Yes, this is the. Repeat again. The. Repeat again. The. Which sight word is this? The. Good. Now let's see the next sight word. Which sight word is this? See. Which sight word is this? See. Repeat again. See. Repeat again. See. So these two were our sight words. Good. Now kids, it's time to do the revision. It's time to do the revision. So kids, today we will revise about the water animal. Today we will revise about the water animal. So kids, tell me, what are water animals? Yes, water animals are those which lives in water. Water animals are those which lives in water. We can see them in river, sea, ponds, or in our houses kept in aquarium. We can see them in river, sea, pond, or in our houses kept in aquarium. They eat their food and breathe in water. They eat their food and breathe in water. So kids, now let's see some water animals. Okay, tell me, what is this? Yes, you are right. This is fish. This is fish. And what is the spelling of fish? F-I-S-H. Repeat again. F-I-S-H. F-I-S-H. Fish. Good. Now let's see the next water animal. What is this? Yes, this is starfish. This is starfish. And what is the spelling of starfish? S-T-A-R-F-I-S-H. S-T-A-R-F-I-S-H. Repeat again. S-T-A-R-F-I-S-H. Starfish. Good. Now let's see the next example. What is this? Yes, this is frog. This is frog. And what is the spelling of frog? F-R-O-G. F-R O-G. Repeat again. F-R-O-G. Repeat once more. F-R-O-G. Frog. Good. Now, let's see the next example. What is this? Yes, this is shark. This is shark. And what is the spelling of shark? S-H-A-R-K. S-H-A-R-K. Repeat again. S-H-A-R-K. Shark. Good. Now, let's see the next example. What is this? Yes, this is octopus. This is octopus. And what is the spelling of octopus? O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Repeat again. O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Repeat after me. O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Octopus. Good. Now let's see the next example. What is this? Yes, this is whale. This is whale. And what is the spelling of whale? W-H-A-L-E. W-H-A-L-E. Repeat again. W-H-A-L-E. W-H-A-L-E. Good. So kids, these were your some of the water animals. I hope all of you have learned this. Good. So now kids, let's move to our main topic. So kids, so far we have studied about the living things and non-living things. What we have studied? We have studied about the living things and non-living things, and today we will study the difference between these two. Okay, now let's start. So tell me, what are the living things? Yes, living things are those which has life. And what are the non-living things? Non-living things are those which don't have life. Non-living things are those which don't have life. Good. And kids, as we know that living things need food, air and water to live. Living things needs food, air and water to live. But on the other side, non-living things don't need any food, air and water. Non-living things don't need any food, air and water. Now kids, in this picture you can see that the flower has grown from very small size to the big size, and on the other side pencil remain the same. So that means living things can grow, but non-living things cannot grow. Now kids, as we know that we can move from one place to other. So the living things can move from one place to other. But on the other side, non-living things cannot move by itself. Now let's see the examples. Living things include man, all plants like trees, flowers, and all animals like dog, cat, lion, and many more. Living things include man, all animals, and all plants. And on the other side, the examples of non-living things are like pencil, book, car, fan, and many more. Pencil, book, car, fan, and many more. So kids, these were the differences. Now let's revise once again. Living things has life, whereas non-living things don't have life. Living things need air, food and water to live, whereas non-living things don't need food, air and water to live. Living things can grow, whereas non-living things cannot grow. Living things can move from one place to other, whereas non-living things cannot move by itself. Living things like man, animal and plants, whereas non-living things like pen, pencil, book, car and many more. So kids, these were your difference between the living things and non-living things. I hope all of you have learned about these. Good. So kids, now it's time for your classwork. So open your science notebook. Kids, open your science notebook. Write down the date, classwork. Write down the date, classwork and note down the title. Draw any two pictures of water animal and color them. Draw any two pictures of water animal and color them. So kids, you have to draw any two pictures of water animal and you have to color them. So this was your classwork. Now it's time for your homework. So on the next page, write down the homework. Write any 5 fruits name. So kids, this was your homework and this was your all about today's class. I hope all of you have enjoyed the class and learned the things. Good. Now we will meet in the next class. So kids, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.